The topic is measurement of amplitude by CRO. The block diagram which is used for to measure the amplitude is by CRO is shown here. The basic concept behind the measurement of amplitude by CRO is just amplitude is converted to a time. That time period is counted. It is equivalent to the amplitude. That is a basic concept. Simply that it converts the voltage to frequency or time. Okay. So frequency and the time is interrelated. Both are interrelated. That is f equal to 1 by t, t equal to 1 by f. The input wave to be measured or sampled at a specific interval of time period is called strobing. The given input is sampled for specific time interval. The time interval between the two samples are constant or fixed. Okay. The equivalent time between each sample depends on the number of samples taken per centimeter on the sweep time per centimeter. The CRT display obtained both 0% reference and also the 10% reference. What is called 0% reference and also the 10% reference? Suppose you are going to measure a 500 milliamps. Okay, 500 milliamps. Here, this is the zero reference. This is called zero reference. The voltage at this point is 0. This portion is a 500 milliamps. 500 milliamps. That is your maximum reference. This one is 0% reference. Okay, that is a CRT display obtained both 0% reference and also the 10% reference. Both are displayed in CRT at any part of the display. The clock is gated by a 1 megahertz clock. Okay, this is your 1 megahertz clock. This input is given to a clock gate. The clock gate output is given to a counter. It will count the time period. That is amplitude is converted into a count. Okay. Here you are having a start comparator, stop comparator. Here you are having a ramp generator to stop comparator and also a stop comparator. Here the sampled signal is given to 0% reference and then 10% reference, that is a maximum voltage to be measured. Here a minimum voltage or a zero voltage to be measured. Okay. One comparator initiate the start of the conversion called start comparator. Another one is this one is a start comparator. Another one is a stop comparator. When the ramp voltage equal to the zero reference, start comparator is initiated. Okay. Let us take this one is a start, that is a 0% voltage. Here we are having a ramp. Both are equal. Then the start gate initiated. That is the start gate is initiated. Once the start gate is initiated, the gate start to count. Okay. Here the start comparator. Here the ramp is there, zero reference. If both are equal 0 and then ramp is also 0, the start gate is initiated by a start comparator. What is the meaning? It means the gate opens and the counting will be begins or started. When the ramp generator voltage equals to 10% of the reference gate reference voltage, the gate closes. That means the voltage increases, that it reaches the maximum value. This one 500 milliamps or a millivolt. That ramp is also at the maximum. Both are equal. The stop gate initiated. Stop gate is initiated. That it initiate to stop the counter. That it means the stop comparator initiate the stop the pulses. Then the counter stop the counting. The number of count which is stored in the counter is directly proportional to the voltage between the selected waveform.